Say something.
It's not the way I planned it. Show me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, because I need to know now. Because my loneliness is killing me.
Bigyan naman.
Bakit?
Nagulat ako yung... Anong tawag doon?
Nagka-O2 kasi ako. Nagka-O...
Anong year?
Second 2.
Tapos?
Record mo, patay tayo niyan. Tapos
Ganun. Mga papuntang 90s ang model nun.
Nagka-PDA ako.
Ang naman, pare naman. We're talking business here, you know? Let's continue our dealings, you know? Don't mind it. That's my friend.
Papasok na ako.
I must confess that my loneliness is killing me now.
Okay, video.